Today we're installing Madjax side plates. These provide a quick and easy way to upgrade all Madjax rear seat kits. To do this, we're going to use a 17mm socket, a cordless drill, a 17mm wrench, a number 3 Phillips tip, and a 1/4 inch driver. Included in the kit are the 2 side plates, as well as self-tapping screws. Now let's get started. We're going to have to remove 3 bolts from our armrest. First 2 are located here in the back. The other one is located at the end of your armrest here. To do this, we're going to use our 17mm socket and wrench. Be sure to retain the hardware. Now we're going to use our number 2 Phillips tip and our 17mm socket. We're going to remove the nut from the front bolt. We're not going to remove the bolt because we need something to hold our armrest up. Now that the 2 rear bolts are out and our nuts off the front, now we're going to take our side plate. This is the passenger side, diamond plate on the outside. We want to place this in between our armrest and our seat frame. So once you get your front bolt into place here, go ahead and hand tighten your nut back on. Now we can reinstall our hardware on the back side of our armrest here. Once all 3 bolts are in place, we can tighten our hardware. Now that our hardware is tight, we're going to use the self-tapping screw and attach our armrest to our side plate here. Then we'll repeat this process on the other side. Now that all our hardware is attached, you're now finished installing your Madjax side plates designed for all Madjax rear seat kits.